Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook soft chicken breast. First, select fresh, boneless, skinless chicken breasts that are similar in size. This ensures they cook evenly and prevents some parts from drying out. Use a meat mallet to gently pound any thicker sections down to a uniform thickness, about 1 inch, which promotes consistent tenderness. Remember to pat each piece completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step guarantees a beautiful, golden brown sear later on. Season your chicken generously on both sides with fine sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs or spices you enjoy. For an extra boost of juiciness and flavor, consider a quick brine. Submerge the chicken in a solution of 1 tablespoon of salt per 2 cups of water for about 20 to 30 minutes. This brief soak helps the muscle fibers retain moisture during cooking, ensuring a softer, more succulent final product. Remember to rinse and pat dry after brining. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or unsalted butter in an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place your seasoned, patted dry chicken breasts into the hot pan, ensuring you do not overcrowd the skillet. This allows for proper searing rather than steaming. Sear each side for 3 to 5 minutes, or until you achieve a beautiful, deep golden brown crust. This initial high-heat sear locks in flavor and begins the cooking process beautifully. After searing, transfer your skillet to a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking for 5 to 8 minutes, until the thickest part reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a reliable meat thermometer to ensure precise cooking and prevent dryness. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 5 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the internal juices to redistribute, guaranteeing a truly moist and tender result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.